Welcome back, dear friends, to Taslima Art. I'm Taz. It's wonderful to have you here. Today I'm going to be unboxing some exciting new paint pouring supplies, and I simply can't wait. Don't forget, you can join me on Patreon for exclusive content or one-to-one support on your own creative journey. A big thank you goes out to all my subscribers, viewers and Patreon members, including Laurie Shaw, Let's Pour with Patty and BCC Arts. Thank you for your support. So let's unbox the new art supplies. Oh my god, guys, look at this! This is what arrived today, and I'm so excited because I haven't had a chance to play with these colours before. I've used Pebeo before, but not the origin acrylics that they've got. So this is a new line, I think. I'm not sure how old it is actually, but look at the colours I've got. I'm just going to go through them quickly with you so you can see which colours I ordered and what arrived. Really excited because I want to do a lot more bloom swipes and blooms, Sheleeart blooms, with acrylic pouring, and I'm super excited about using different colours. So we have a number of different colours. This is a 120ml tube of acrylic paint. It's Origin Acrylics High Viscosity. It's rose fluorescent or fluorescent pink in colour. Really vibrant. I'm looking forward to seeing what that looks like when it's mixed up with my pouring medium. And then we have another one here. This is Permanent Light Green. Look at that. It's a lovely bright green, isn't it? And then we've got this one, which is Olive Light Green. And you've got the little boxes as well there where you can see whether it's opaque, transparent, semi-transparent. And then here we have an opaque colour, which is cadmium orange hue. I am excited to use these colours because I don't have them in my other acrylic paints, some of these. And then we've got primary red, which is obviously just a normal red. And we have turquoise blue. Really nice. And then we have this one, which is ultramarine violet. There's plenty of paint as well for me to be getting on with mixing. And we have copper. Look at that, it's really shiny. I love these stickers on there because you can really see the colour that it's going to be when it's actually laid down. That's really nice. And that's transparent. And this one is an opaque primary cyan. These are eco products as well by the looks of them. And then we have magenta, so quinacridone magenta. Monopigment, it says this is an opaque colour. And then we have a carmine red. Carmine red looks nice. It's quite a lot of paint here. We also have bright pink. I like that. That's lovely, isn't it? Bright pink. And we have gold. That's a metallic colour, similar to the copper metallic. And then we have primary yellow. And next up, it is a fluorescent colour. This is green fluorescent, or fluorescent green. And then we have another metallic colour here, and that's silver. And then we have vivid pink. Ooh, that looks nice. I'm already trying to put together a palette in my head looking at these colours. We've got cadmium red hue. This is a semi-transparent, as you can see with the box there, which has got a slash through it. And then finally we have deep cadmium yellow hue. So and that's opaque again. So we've got quite a few opaques, quite a few transparents. These are transparent. We've got some semi-transparents here as well. Those two are semi-transparent as far as I can see. Yeah. So yeah, lots of new paint to play with, and I'm super excited. So watch this space for more blooms coming up, swipes, blooms, and that sort of thing, because I can't wait to try these out. And I've got something else that's really exciting to show you. One moment, I'll just get it. Very quickly, this is the bloom I recently did. I absolutely love it. Look at those gorgeous glowing cells. You know, they're jelly bean cells. Are gorgeous. Absolutely love how this part looks really silky, like silk. And I love the vibrancy of this half as well, and the colours intermingling. I really love this piece. I'm going to be doing lots more like this, hopefully better than this, because I'm going to be using an exciting new pouring medium. So look what I've got. Oh my god, This arrived from France. And I can't wait to road test it with you guys. And obviously there'll be a video coming once I start playing around with these and showing them off and demonstrating how they work. But this is lots of new products from Ambre Art paint. So Veronique from France, she does these beautiful blooms and balloon dips and things, and I absolutely love them. So I really wanted to test out the pouring medium that she sells. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what this is like compared to my current pouring medium. Which is mostly all weight on. Sometimes it's Valspar Base C mixed in with some varnish, but let's see what this one's like. And this is also a cell activator. This is a special swipe cell activator from Ambre Art paint, and it's non-tinted. Okay, so you can actually tint this using your colours, which I might do. So there's that bottle here as well, so I'm looking forward to using that. There's instructions that came with it. We also have this one, which is the Elixir cell activator, and that's black. Okay, it's obviously in a white bottle, but this is the black cell activator from Ambre Art paint. Okay, so we're going to have a look at that one too. What else have we got? We have the Elixir white cell activator as well. So we've got the white and the black together. And the third one that we just mentioned was a special swipe cell activator. I wonder what the difference is, and I guess we'll find out when I start doing the testing, right? So we pop those there, and then what else do we have here? We have black cell activator. This is just a regular cell activator they sell. So yeah, let's have a look at that too. So I'll be doing lots of test things, I think. And once I find something that works for me and it looks good, I'll probably be doing larger pieces as well, because I've ordered a bunch of round canvases. This one is the white cell activator, so we've got the white and the black. So move this box out of the way and show you all of them in one go. So the black and white cell activator, blanc noir, obviously in French, and then we've got the Elixir in white, the white cell activator. Then we've got the Elixir in black. And we've also got the non-tinted one, which you can tint yourself, so you can add your own coloured cell activator. I wonder if you can add pigment to this. I'm going to have a look and see if I can add some either Sheleeart or TLP pigments to this tintable one, and see what we can come up with in terms of blooms and bloom swipes and other techniques in acrylic pouring. So I am so excited. I can't wait to try these, and that's going to happen very, very soon. So watch this space. So I'm just going to show you the instructions here. So for Ambre Art paints, black and white cell activators, the black and white cell activators are ready to use. You don't need to add anything. Use them as they are without any modifications. The transparent cell activator is similar to Australian Floetrol. Mix 1 part colour with 3 part cell activators. And then the medium, do I have the medium? Yes, I do. I have the medium. The Bloom Kit's medium is ready to use. Do not use any of the substances unless you find your mixture too thick, and then you can use demineralized water. Yep. And then also we have the cushion, which I didn't buy because I can use my own cushion, which will be house paint, silk house paint. Yeah, so Veronique de Godinec on Facebook. She's brilliant. If you haven't seen her work, honestly, her blooms are to die for. Her swipes are to die for. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love the vibrancy of all the cells she gets. So I can't wait to try these and see if they work for me here in the UK. I can't see why not. You know, it's the same products they use. And Ashley Bacteria as well. She uses this product as well, and she has lots of videos on her channel. Go check out both ladies' channels. I'll put a link down in the description box below. Okay, exciting! And before I forget, look what I have! I have a new blower, because my other two either too slow or they're too fast and they blow the paint completely off the canvas. And I've got this one now, okay, so I'm really happy. It's called Taslima. I bought it on Amazon, and I like it because it's got a cool shot, and it's really, really fast as well. So you can have the cool shot on a faster setting. It's got 3 different settings, 3 different heat settings as well, 3 different speeds, and you've got the cool shot in the back as well. So because it's kind of flat facing, I reckon it'll be much easier to chase the cell activator over the paint. I haven't tried it yet, I'm just assuming, but let's trial it out and find out for real whether this is a better blower for acrylic painting or not, and it wasn't too expensive either. I'll put a link to it down in my description box below so you can see how much it was and other details as well. But watch the video, see if it works first, see if it's the best blow I've had. I've had a couple and they're not all that great, and we'll go from there. So thank you for watching this short 10-minute video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great week, and bye for now. Oh, and don't forget, every Saturday at 5 PM EST, 10 PM UK, I have a collaboration called a Creative Art Collective. So do join us for some great art and some fun in the live chat.